Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. And in today's masterclass, I'm going to show you how to do this super simple and quirky dual eyeliner makeup look. So let's not waste any more time and get right into the video. So that was it for the video guys. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you thought about this look in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, don't forget to join the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get 150 rupees off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link is in the description box. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.